Read and answer. Read and answer. An lẽ tอบเขียน A R B R C โอเคไหมเขียน A B C Number 1เงียบไม่บอกบอกมีลบไม่คุย Number 2 Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Number 2 ไม่บอกเงียบ Number 3 Listen ทุกคน listen It's an tutut bag A new B old C long Number 4 What is it? Letter A pit Letter B peg Letter C pet Number 5 Listen What is it? Number 5 Letter A pit Letter B peg Letter C bed ฟัง Number 6ทำอะไร Letter A ride a bicycle B put a bicycle Letter C feed a bicycle ทำอะไร Number 7 How's the weather? Number 7 How's the weather? Letter A It's sunny Letter B It's windy Letter C It's rainy Number 8 There tutut, one flower Letter A is Letter B are Letter C many There tutut, one flower Number 9 How many cats are there? How many cats are there? Letter A There is 2 cats. Letter B There are 2 cats. Letter C They are cats. Number 10 Where is the cat? A It is on the tree. B It is by the tree. C It is under the tree. ไม่บอก That's the end of the test. Please exchange your notebooks. ไม่คุย no standing เงียบ Thank you.